My daughter just started having full-blown conversations with the neighbor's baby, and I swear they are plotting something. She walks up to him at the park, grabs his hand and goes, "Ba dada," and he looks her dead in the eyes and goes, "Gaga ma," like they just agreed on a secret mission. So I started narrating their little talks like a storybook. She picks up her stuffed bunny and shows it to him. "This is Sir Hopsalot. He guards the crib at night when the shadows get wiggly, and he reaches out, touches the bunny's ear, and whispers, 'Ooh.' Then bedtime rolls around, and she is standing in her crib, pointing at the ceiling like she sees a whole galaxy up there. Stars, moonlight dripping through the curtains like warm honey. She babbles this long speech to her stuffed animals like she is briefing them before a quest. Honestly, I think babies know things we forgot. We just stopped listening."